I got this. Fucking loud. Where'd the boo? There it is. No. Oh my God. Your eyes and your ears. Let's sparkle. Heck yeah.
What's it say?
I don't know.
Thomas Park, I think.
No, that says happy animal.
Happy animal.
Oh, it's a goat.
These magical boys that you drink a bag of jelly in there. It's a goat!
I can see that. Babby, if you're where were ya? You should keep a seat. Here it goes.
I didn't do it. Taco go after you.
You're gonna shit yourself. Oh God. Be like, what's it? Woo!
Move your child.
Here it goes. I can't even play. Woo! I'm her friend. That's Kayla.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi.
That's your phone?
Yeah.
That's you?
This is my phone. Oh,
She's stealing me.
I can't text my mom right now. I feel so bad.
I chewed my C out of it.
You choose your thing out of it. Like. Hannah, here.
More? I didn't finish my head.
Yeah, but you can have them if you want. I don't care.
It's like it's scaring me. I suppose.
Are you serious? My sister is probably. Oh wait, my sister's not here.
That's good.
Holy buggies! You're not worried about buggies. Oh my God, that smells.
Huh?
That smells.
Probably me. I'm wearing books, right? Like tongues. Push. Sparkle.
We need more than this. Oh, I just fucking hit someone. Sorry. Ha! Ooh, special. Want to know the cool thing about my phone? I can text while in another app.
Really? So can I. Oh, you son of a guy.
Huh?
Oh, this isn't big. It's like sideways.
Okay. I can't wait till like the hospital.
This is going on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch and see how well you did.
Already 3 minutes long.
Really?
Want to say hi?
Here we go. So the kind.
Does he like these? Want one?
You want some protein?
Whoa.
My dad likes flowers. Daddy!
You can have some.
Got a big one.
I'm up. You're up. You gotta straighten her neck. Imagine babies could be like, what the fuck is that?
Chill, Kayla. Chill.
Hey!
That's Kayla.
Hi.
Kayla!
Yeah.
My dad said
No problem. I don't know who that is.
No, you Milo.
You could just watch it later on YouTube. Like, I'm gonna label it fireworks. No, should I put fireworks with friends?
Yes.
Okay, got it. Shooting.
He's shooting star.
Hey, Hannah. Come to my house. Why?
Because I want to go tonight and like rain and watch people.
Just watch this.
You have TV too. You even sleep with me.
Hannah.
I don't feel like moving.
Hannah.
No, they're Kayla's. Kayla can be fun. Say hi to Kayla.
Hi. I'm right here.
Small person. She's probably shorter than you. Just to let you know. It's true. Hey, you Sparkle!
What's your favorite part?
I can imagine there's a narwhal in there. Narwhal.
They're not that talented.
Aww. A narwhal in a can. That'd be awesome. You can shoot a narwhal.
Or Jen Horn.
Oh my god, if you saw that, she'd be like, push! Whoa, my eyes. That was like 3D.
What about a dress? Or shoes?
I freak out. I just like die right here. It's like,
You'd be like,
on my tablet, I have tons of pictures of clothes. There's no like light in there.
I'm real Hannah.
Hi, Lulu. You're so loud. How do you get?
Green.
I like how they had that.
Hey,
Yeah.
what's your name again?
Kayla.
Kayla.
Yeah. That's my sister used to say. Oh, Jesus.
What kind was that?
I know, right?
I think there was I don't even know what kind of fireworks they were.
Sparkle!
Starships.
I'm recording that. What? Oh.
Hey.
Oh my God.
Sparkle.
Hey, double one.
This is already like 10 minutes.
Starships. Sparkle.
Sparkle.
It's red and green like Christmas.
Christmas is coming.
Yeah, not yet.
I feel like all the nasty weather is coming for you.
It's like, oh, I'm just grim for summer again.
Here comes the Grinch part of us. The green part is the Grinch.
Oh my god, did you know we have to read this summer? Kayla, you have to read.
Okay, when's it download on Audible?
Exactly, you have to read though.
And put it in my earbuds.
You have to read the Bear Stone.
I didn't forgot about that actually.
It's about an animal that talks.
You actually read it already?
No, I read what's about.
Dad, you won!
So cute. Oh, here it comes. Hey, bugs. I keep getting it on my nose and everything.
What?
Bugs.
I'd be like, no, stop, please.
I'm gonna sleep with Pete that night.
They get bug spray on your nose, dude.
I don't have bug spray.
Oh, look, do you see the strip up there? The flag?
Yeah.
Sparkle. Where's the flag? Where's the flag?
It's up there. Did you see the flag and ship up there? The little wall? Sparkle.
I'm trying to like record this at the same. It's just like no.
It's okay, but like you missed that, get the whole thing on here.
Yep, I got the perfect spot.
Sparkle.
I don't know where it is yet, Marco. I don't know where it is.
Oh.
Oh, maybe from the grass.
Probably.
Maybe it's coming.
Yeah. The grass is wet. It's the smoke. I hate the smell. It's so smoky. Dad, do you like to smell fireworks? I don't. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, don't you?
No, yes, that is sticking my ear.
Did I? Sorry.
No, it's not like inside.
Oh,
Yeah, you killed it from
I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
I think this is why the reason we have global warming. He doesn't even get the joke and he's laughing.
What is up with you? Don't bump my leg.
Okay, still see it.
This is the
You sound really crazy. Wow.
He's like, I'm gonna kill you in your sleep.
Is
She took a picture you would be sleeping one time.
That's creepy.
I know.
It looks like a braid up there now. Braid.
What happened to my weapon?
What? Your laugh sounds creepy.
What happened to my weapon?
Your laugh sounds creepy.
That was loud.
Oh, I went straight down when I hit someone. So go down a little bit.
Hey, what happened to my weapon?
I don't know. Your laugh sounds creepy though.
Crazy. What happened to my weapon?
I think your laugh sounds creepy. I don't want to taste it.
Boom.
What happened to my weapon?
Don't know. Your laugh sounds creepy.
Oh boy. Ready for his face to light up. He's just like, no.
He's like, no shot.
No shot. I got him.
He will kill you.
He would kill me in my sleep.
He'll be like, I see you.
My sister is missing out on all of
What
this.
happened to my weapon?
I don't know. Your laugh sounds creepy. I don't know.
A weapon's creepy?
Yeah.
Just say it.
Your laughing's creepy.
This is 11 minutes.
Really? Already?
So next is the ending. Bum, 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 bum.
Words with
This is exactly why we have air problems.
Oh, the ozone layer? The whole ozone layer?
This is why we have air problems, people.
Do you make the ozone layer sitting out? That problem? Sparkle!
That could be on your dress.
Oh my god, it was.
Starships.
We're meant to
fly.
What's up?
Yeah? Is that like over or something? I'm assuming no. Yeah, it better not be.
Huh?
Don't flirt with me. Izzy is missing this.
This is gonna let us see next year.
I don't like Izzy. To be honest.
I can't be right in the face.
You little bugger.
He's like, oh no, you push.
Sorry.
What?
You're missing it. I don't look like a fart breath. That was pretty.
But look at it.
Sparkles! Like it, watch. I like that. No, don't lick me.
Ah.
Lick me. Lick
Run.
me.
Ah. God.
Give me a picture.
I'm the only one watching now besides Caleb. So
I'm recording.
oh, my leg. He's killing me. He's killing me. No, not the sunflower seeds.
I can't say it.
Narwhals!
Say narwhals.
Narwhals!
I can't even see you. You're too dark. Happy 40th.
Is that how long we've been doing it?
Oh, don't push me, little one. Don't push
I'm
me.
big. I'm 5.
I'm 12.